Hello trivia friends and all you clever people, welcome to the very first Detormentis Quizzical. My name is Sean, I hope that you are doing well. This is a brand new quiz series that I'm starting on my channel inspired by the Detormentis Brain Gym. It is not as difficult, 75 questions in total, different types of questions that will test everything you know about the world around us. There are 75 questions as I mentioned. Keep track of how many questions you can answer correctly. Check the end of the video to see which rank you managed to get. And please let me know in the comments what you think of this style of quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Which state in the USA has the biggest population? Is it Texas, California or Florida? The answer is California. Which of the following is a gathering held before a funeral to pay respects? Is it a wake, a seance or an exorcism? It's a wake. The outer layer of the Statue of Liberty is made from which metal? Is it copper, iron or nickel? The correct answer is copper. Which of the following countries does not have a navy? Is it Switzerland, Panama or Namibia? Panama. Do you know what this object is called? It's a periscope. What is the capital city of Nepal? Is it Kathmandu, Xanadu or Shangri-La? It's Kathmandu. In mathematics, what do you call an angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees? An acute, right or obtuse angle? It's an obtuse angle. What is the surname of Monaco's royal family? Is it Grimaldi, Tudor or Bourbon? The answer is Grimaldi. True or false? For a brief period in 1989, PepsiCo had the 6th largest military in the world. This is true. Which of these characters appear in the Disney movie The Little Mermaid? Number 3. Complete the title of the orchestral piece, the 1812 Requiem, Sonata or Overture. The 1812 Overture. In typography, which of the following is a capital letter, a serif, a majuscule or a minuscule? A majuscule. What gas do plants primarily absorb during photosynthesis? Is it carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. In the UK, to ward off bad luck, which bird must be saluted on sight? A magpie, a robin or a starling? A magpie. What type of bird is this? This is a hornbill. Time for today's bonus question. Which planet in our galaxy is the most famous for its extensive and prominent ring system? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you are enjoying this quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Now, back to the quiz. Which of these singers was not born in the USA? Celine Dion, Taylor Swift, or Barbra Streisand? Celine Dion. Which of the following is secreted by the pineal gland? Is it insulin, melatonin, or serotonin? Melatonin. Which of the following is defined as a solution or remedy for all the difficulties or diseases? A placebo, panacea, or a porcine? A panacea. True or false? The Eiffel Tower shrinks approximately 1 centimeter every decade due to gradual metal fatigue. This is false. Which of these landmarks is in Saudi Arabia? Number 1. Which of these composers was born in Austria? Beethoven, Bach, or Mozart? Mozart. Which scientist developed the law of universal gravitation? Was it Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, or Galileo Galilei? It was Isaac Newton. What literary device uses like or as to compare two things? Is it a metaphor, parable, or simile? The correct answer is simile. Complete the title of the 1990s TV show: Beverly Hills 90210, Place, or General? Beverly Hills 90210. What is this container called? It is a crucible. As at 2025, who is the only English king to have been executed? Richard I, Charles I, or Henry VIII? The answer is Charles I. Which of the following is a synonym for fathom? Is it comprehend, effective, or irregular? The correct answer is comprehend. How many lines are there in a sonnet? Is it 14, 15, or 21? 14 lines in a sonnet. True or false? Bananas emit extremely low levels of ultrasonic sound when ripening. This is false. Which of these men has not been a British Prime Minister? Number 1, Nicolas Sarkozy. In degrees Kelvin, what is the freezing point of water? Is it minus 273.15, 0, or 273.2? 273.2 Kelvin. Which of the following is a novel by Fyodor Dostoevsky? Les Miserables, Dr. Zhivago, or Crime and Punishment? Crime and Punishment. What is the acronym used for the US President? Is it FLOTUS, POTUS, or GLOTUS? It is POTUS. In Christian religious observance, Lent always starts on Good Friday, Palm Sunday, or Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday. Who is the artist of this painting? Leonardo da Vinci. Cider is made from the fermented juice of which fruit? Is it apple, plums, or dates? The correct answer is apples. What do you call a substance with a pH less than 7? Is it acidic, basic, or fluoric? It is acidic. In Greek mythology, what was the name of Poseidon's son? Dionysus, Triton, or Zagreus? Triton. True or false? Inventor Alexander Graham Bell banned the musical note F from his household. This is true. Which of these musical instruments is an ocarina? Number 2. Which of the following is a synonym for thesis? Is it soliloquy, dissertation, or hypothesis? It's a dissertation. In the rhyme, This Little Piggy, what does the first piggy do? It went to market, it stayed home, or it had roast beef? It went to market. In the abbreviation TEFL, what does the E stand for? Is it engineering, education, or English? It stands for English. What is it called when a treaty is signed, thereby making it official? Attrition, ratification, or ostracism? It is called ratification. In golf, what is this obstacle called? It's a bunker. Which of these Apple products was released first? The iPod, the iPad, or iPhone? The iPod. Which is the highest mountain in Greece? Is it Mount Olympus, Mount Vesuvius, or Mount Tide? It is Mount Olympus. Which famous artist cut off part of his own ear? Salvador Dali, Pablo Picasso, or Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh. True or false? In 2004, a diamond the size of the moon was found in space. It was called Lucy, a tribute to Lucy in the sky with diamonds. It's true. Question 50. Which of these is the BlackBerry logo? Number 2. Which chemical element is named after the creator of the periodic table, Mendelevium, Fermium or Curium? Mendelevium. In which country will you find the province of Saskatchewan? Is it Australia, Canada or France? It is a province in Canada. Which historical figure was exiled to the island of Elba in 1814? Charlemagne, Oliver Cromwell or Napoleon Bonaparte? Napoleon Bonaparte. What is the term for a word that reads the same backwards and forwards? Is it an ambigram, a litote or a palindrome? It is called a palindrome. What is this statue called? It is the Venus de Milo. Which type of astronomical model places the Sun at its center? Geocentric, heliocentric or lunocentric? Heliocentric. On which continent will you find the ruins of the ancient city of Carthage? Is it Africa, Asia or Europe? It is in Africa. Which singer had a hit in 1956 with the song Heartbreak Hotel? Was it Buddy Holly, Tom Petty or Elvis Presley? Elvis Presley. True or false? Football's governing body FIFA has more member states than the United Nations. This is true. Which of these are pecan nuts? Number 3. Which of the following languages is written from right to left? Is it Arabic, Hindi or Japanese? The answer is Arabic. In computing, what does GPU stand for? General Processing Unit, Graphics Processing Unit or General Purpose Unit? Graphics Processing Unit. How many legs does a grasshopper have? 6, 8 or 10? It is an insect, so 6. Which word is defined as an extremely confused or embarrassing situation? A pomatum, terraqueous or imbroglio? Imbroglio. What spice is this? It's cardamom. In maths, what do you call a shape with an infinite number of sides within a finite area? An epirogon, tesseract, or hyperpolygon? An epirogon. In which sport will you hear phrases like dunk, dribble, and alley-oop? Is it rugby, basketball, or golf? In basketball. Which of these fruit trees loses its leaves in winter? An orange, avocado, or apple tree? Apple trees. True or false? The deepest mine in the world, South Africa's Mponeng mine, is a diamond and asbestos mine. False, it is a gold mine. Which of these pastas is fusilli? Number 3. Which Shakespearean play features the characters Rosencrantz and Guildenstern in, is it Othello, Macbeth, or Hamlet? They are characters in Hamlet. Which liquid is used in vintage thermometers? Is it mercury, arsenic, or blood? Mercury. A cob is a male and a pen is a female of which type of animal? Ferret, swan, or turtle? Swans. Which of the following is slang referring to law enforcement or police officers? 5-0, unsub, or juvie? 5-0. And what is this object called? It is a stirrup. And we have reached the end of the very first Detormentis Quizzical. How many questions were you able to answer? Take a look which rank you managed to get and share your result in the comments below. Also, don't forget to answer the bonus question. Which planet in our galaxy is the most famous for its extensive and prominent ring system? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you enjoyed this quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching.